Welcome to this technical guide on the Thermomix TM31. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your TM31 isn't responding to the dial, you're not alone. This issue can stem from a faulty potentiometer or a malfunctioning panel, which can lead to frustration while cooking. Ignoring this problem could result in further complications, leaving you unable to use your Thermomix altogether. To get started on this repair, you'll need a screwdriver set, a pair of tweezers, and a replacement potentiometer. Make sure to gather all your tools before diving in. First, ensure your Thermomix is unplugged, then turn it over on a soft surface to avoid scratches. Using a screwdriver, carefully remove the screws from the base. Keep these screws safe as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, gently lift the base off to expose the internal components. The potentiometer is usually located near the dial, so look for a small, circular component that connects to the dial itself. You'll need to disconnect the wires attached to this part, taking care not to damage any surrounding components. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once the wires are disconnected, use your tweezers to gently pull the potentiometer out from its place. Take your new potentiometer and insert it into the same slot, ensuring it fits snugly. Reconnect the wires, making sure they are secure and correctly placed. After that, it's time to put your Thermomix back together. Carefully align the base back onto the unit and reinsert all the screws. Tighten them just enough to secure the base without overdoing it, as this can strip the screws. Before closing, plug the Thermomix back in to check if the dial is responding correctly. If everything seems to be working, you can proceed to fully close the device and ensure all screws are tightly secured. To prevent this issue from recurring, make sure to keep your Thermomix clean and avoid exposing it to excessive moisture. Regular maintenance can help prolong the life of the components. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.